Hey everybody, XJoe81X, and we're on the third leg of looking at some cameras. XJoe81X here. JK18 over there. He gave me this box. We determined that this thing works in the last video. Obviously, it has since been up. There was a video you watched, and hopefully you just kept watching, and it shows it installed and working and configuring it. And JK18's like, well, I got this thing a while ago. It's a Victor. What's your Vector, Victor? Where's that from? It's a Victure. It's a NK300H. 3 megapixel surveillance network video recorder kits. Oh my god. Susan. Oh, I'm going to show you it. We're going to see if the camera's just plug and play. JK18, here we go. JK18 says it's wireless. He don't like that kind. Here we are. Let me make sure we're all in the same. Okay, right about here. Okay. Here's the side. Here's the back. Oh, what is going on? This freaking rickety. There's no connections. So you want to do a VGA for a monitor. You want to do an HDMI for a monitor or any TV. This is your connection, USB, and power. So you bring your connection to here. It's wireless. It's supposed to pick up the cameras. But Jay, let's see what this is. This might be something. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. This might be power. Jay says you might have to do power to each camera. Here's the power source for this thing. Here's a mouse. Oh, thank you. No. Here's internet. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's power? Okay. But then take the camera out. Let me see something. They all sound the same. Take the camera out. Let's take a camera out. Got your connection. I'll leave that there. You got your antenna, right? You got your Allen key, some kind of black rubber thing. You got more black rubber. Maybe it's whatever. It's okay. You have your plastic. It comes in because hon. So Jay doesn't know. Oh, Billy. It's got, so Jay says, wait, this is wireless. So it has power. So Jay was curious if I could just plug this in and like it just works. So, okay. You want to go around? Okay. Huh. There's the same basement dome camera that I shut off. We're going to see if this works without anything else. Just over the river and through the woods. Connecting now. It's connected. The camera is not showing me any light, not showing me any action. It's not showing me anything. Okay, we're going to give it a hot second. I don't think it's going to work because it didn't show me any lights. In the previous video, the camera I got in that small box showed me like a quick infrared light, but I digress. I think I'm going to get power out for a second. I'm going to connect the power while you're on camera. Yeah, so it's not, it's weird, it's not working. So it's not, it could be config. This is a quick video. Jay was like, oh, I wonder if what the Cat 5 is for. I don't think he read it in the book. I could be wrong. Excuse me, I can be wrong. So there's no camera. I mean, it could be configured. I'm sorry, and I'm not going to try to ruin the configuration. But I will connect the power. And let's see if that's all it wants. Maybe the camera needs to be powered. So I got a cord here off camera that I showed you. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to see if it explodes. If you're sitting in the Chevy and you feel something heavy. So oh, there it is. I just plugged it in. I got 4 lights. I don't know if I can move the camera in time. Probably not. No, the lights just shut off. So I got 4 lights. It needs plugged power. Ugh, that's so annoying that you have to actually like find 120 volts. Oh God, you know, I'm trying to. It went right into my eye. I have those spots. When did I plug it in? I give it a minute. If it doesn't turn on, then it doesn't like it. Cat 5. Oh, it's blinking. Oh. Huh. Okay, so it might work. It's doing something. Probably Bluetooth. No, I don't think it would be Bluetooth. Let me show you. I don't think the camera's working. Sorry. So I have it right here. These 4 lights turned on. And this is blinking. That's cool. It's weird that there's a light attached to that. It's my cable. And obviously we determined the cable works because this camera works in the previous video. So you have to put power. You have to, but it's blinking, which means, does it mean, so I still have no video. So blinking means, oh, hey, wait, it wants to try to find the other NVR box. Let me go and look what the camera does. It doesn't even see it. I have 12 cameras in a 16 channel. It doesn't even see it. It goes to 11. I don't have, it's not. Let me see. Yeah, see, I can't go past 11. Image, I'm sorry, I'm doing both. Image is irrelevant because there is none. Yep, 11. Privacy mask, which whatever that means, 11. PTZ, whatever. VCA. This is a bunch of stuff. Network, system. Device name, backup, storage, alarm. Maintenance. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it doesn't. There's no 12. Well, it's right here. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't modify IP camera number. So 1 through 10, but there's 11. Again, I'm just doing a quick look. I'm not going to change anything. Maybe this is for JK18. Maybe you're looking at this and saying, oh, maybe we can make your, thing work. Modify IP camera. Right. Cancel. What's this? Remote camera 1 on diff port 80. Offline, the network's disconnected. So wait, let me cancel. So everything, oh, IP address of all the cameras are different. It's weird. Oh, username, okay. So, oh, yeah, maybe, yeah. IP, okay. So we're just gonna like hit cancel. So that's where I'm at. I'm not saying it won't work, but I'm not saying that I'm gonna make it work because I don't need it. So I'm gonna wrap up this video, put all that stuff back together. Hopefully this video helped you. Maybe it was just informative. We'll see. Thanks JK18 for the previous bullet camera. And now we know that maybe if this is connected, sitting on a desk, it's plug and play. You know, it's always good to know. I don't have the access real quick to like plug it in and set it up, and so I don't know if I don't think Jay's even using these, but all right. So hit like, hit subscribe, and this was the second batch of cameras that Jay wanted me to see if it would just plug and play, and it's not. So we're cool. Thanks again. Take it easy.